What's going on, guys? My name is Floruss. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, One Dapper Street, and welcome back to another episode of Getting Dressed Step by Step. I'm gonna be creating an outfit today together with you guys, styling a quilted jacket. And we're gonna learn a little bit about quilted jackets because I think they're intrinsically dapper and very beautiful, but oftentimes we think they're reserved for older men. I'm here today to prove that wrong. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the videos coming up. The jacket we're looking at today is from Barbour. Barbour is a wonderful company. I think they're very known for their quilted jackets, and this is a kind of a hybrid with a bomber jacket, and it's a fairly slim fit, especially for the company. That's why I really like it. It's a navy color, so the first top that I chose to wear underneath it is this cashmere sweater from Hugo Boss. It's navy as well, so I was kind of just like trying to not overwhelm with the color. You have on Barbour jackets on the inside some interesting colors and prints usually here as well, so sometimes that'll pop out and maybe that's enough fun for the jacket. Which is why I also started with black jeans. These are from Mango Man. They're really skinny, they fit really nicely. I personally really like them. They might be a bit too tight for you, so you can do this easily with slim pants as well. But as you can see, it makes for a really nice silhouette throughout the entire body. And then once I had the black on, I thought, okay, navy and black, I need to wear our suede Chelsea boots that we just dropped for Ankari Floruss. They have black details but are primarily navy, so I thought it would really tie all of that in together nicely. But for me, while it's a solid look, it was a little bit too dark and frankly a bit too boring. So I scratched the lower half and was like, what if I wear tan jeans instead? So these are from Paige. I just picked them back up from the tailor. Actually, I needed to make them a bit slimmer from the calf down, but now I think they fit nicely. This is more of a slim fit than a skinny fit. So a bit more traditional, a bit more honoring the root of the quilted jacket, I think. And then I chose our combat boots, which we also just dropped for Ankari Floruss, also combining some navy and black features, but really nicely picking up that almost washed out navy in the jacket. And I really like that look. The hiking boot, combat boot, really works well with the aesthetic of the quilted jacket, I think. But I thought it could use a little bit more of a pop. That's why I chose to wear this turtleneck from Bershka. Nice and thin, so the layering wasn't too difficult. I really like it, and I think it just adds a little bit more fun to the look. It plays off of the earth tones and lets the navy really stand out, the navy of the jacket and the navy of the boot as the highlight of the look. I had quickly considered wearing corduroy pants, which I think work really well with quilted jackets, but the green ones were just color-wise, it was just a bit too much for me, and I was happy with the tan colored jeans that I was wearing. Finishing up with accessories, I am wearing my Piaget in rose gold and navy, dark grayish navy, like a faded navy, so it works really well with the colors of both the turtleneck and the jacket. And these are two glass options, Ryan shades in brown and brushed silver, and then we have Xenia shades in navy, or like more of a bluish, and brushed brass. So I thought those were just a bit better fitting for both the aesthetic overall and the colors of the look. The last thing I added was a leather duffel bag in a cognac brown leather from Coach. I love this thing, and it's because I'm heading out today and I'm probably gonna go shopping. I'm gonna have to run out with my gym clothes, so I need this space, and I thought it added a fun third earth tone to the look. And that's the whole outfit. I hope you enjoyed the process of putting this together. Right now it's time for you guys to check it out outside in the world, in motion, in 3, 2, 1, enjoy. That is it for me today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think about quilted jackets, what you thought about this particular one from Barbour. And with that said, I will see you guys very, very soon with the next video. Until then, stay dapper. Bye, guys.